In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dependency in Wrike in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a project manager looking to streamline your team's workflow or a new user trying to get the hang of Wrike, setting up dependencies between tasks can help you manage projects more efficiently. Let's jump right in and take it step by step. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you regularly use. Once it's open, go ahead and type Wrike into the search bar. Hit Enter, and the first link that appears should be for Wrike's official website. Click on that link to navigate to their homepage. Once you're on the Wrike platform, you'll notice two options: one to log in and another to try Wrike for free. If you already have an account, simply click on Log In. Enter your credentials, and it will take you right to your dashboard. If you're new to Wrike and want to explore, you can click on Try Wrike for free to set up an account and get started. Now that you're logged in and on your Wrike dashboard, the next step is to locate your project timeline. The timeline view is key to visualizing your project's tasks and how they relate to one another in terms of timing. Here, you'll see various taskbars that represent different tasks within your project. Hover your cursor over any taskbar on the timeline that you're interested in setting as a dependency. With the taskbar highlighted, go ahead and click on it. This will open up additional options for managing your task. What you want to look for here is the option to Add Dependency. This feature allows you to establish a connection between tasks, indicating how the completion of one task is related to the start of another. Once you've clicked Add Dependency, you'll be prompted to select the tasks you want to link. You'll see two terms here: predecessor and successor. The predecessor is the task that must be completed before the subsequent task can begin, and the successor is the task that follows. Simply click on the tasks you wish to set as predecessor and successor. When you've made your selections, Wrike automatically saves these dependencies, so there's no need to worry about manually saving your progress. And that's it. You've successfully added a dependency in Wrike. By setting up these dependencies, you can better visualize and manage the timelines of your projects, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Whether you're managing a small project or a large one, these steps are universal within Wrike and should help you feel more in control of your project timelines. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in optimizing your project management processes.